I tried doing this problem using a calculator. Oh, I got disappointed. Okay, so we're going to try to solve this particular problem without the use of a calculator. So we want what? The value. We are looking for the value. All right. I don't know how you're going to approach this, but look at the exponents of your powers under the square roots. Right? So you need to pay more attention or look for the exponent that is the smallest out of the three, which is the 2007. So what you will do with the rest of the powers, with the remaining powers, you're going to try to break them such that one of the exponents, when you break it, it's sort of like you want to split the power such that it is a product of a power with the exponent 2007 in it. So let me just demonstrate that by doing instead of explaining. So the numerator part, I'm going to break it to 10 raised to exponent 2007 multiplied by 10 raised to exponent 2. Right? Multiplying these powers and adding the exponents, it's gonna take us back to 2009. Right? Divided by the next power to be split or broken is the 2011. So it's gonna be 2007 multiplied by 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's going to be 4. 10 raised to exponent 4 minus the square root of 10 raised to exponent 2007. Okay. So now after splitting or breaking the bigger powers, you now have perfect squares, right? So you can get the square root of this, which is going to be 10. You take it outside the square root, you're now left with 10 raised to exponent 2007. You do the same thing with the one power below. So the square root of 10 raised to exponent 4, that's going to be 10 raised to exponent 2. The square root of 10 raised to exponent 2007 minus the square root of 10 raised to exponent 2007. Now, on the denominator, you have a common factor. You need to take this thing out. This is 10 square root of 10 raised to exponent 2007 divided by 10 raised to exponent 2. That's 100. That's 100, right? Minus 1. Remember, we wanted to take out the square root of 10 raised to exponent 2007 as the common factor. So this cancels out that. Equal to, I now have 10 divided by 9. I don't think we can divide any further than this. So this is our solution, or the value for that.